Riddle me this, mother lekker.
We're gonna solve a puzzle called the triangle area puzzle. What we have is 4 different triangles where the hypotenuse is 3. And the length of one leg is 1 unit longer than the other. The question is, what's the area of a single triangle? I'm going to give you a moment to solve this. You can pause the video and take your time. Once you're ready, you can keep playing. The answer to this puzzle is that the area of a single triangle is 2. The more interesting part is how we can arrive at the answer. One way you can solve this is you can work algebraically. This is the long way to solve the problem. The steps involved are you would label the 2 legs of the triangle as A and B. You can then set up a system of equations. One equation will be that A is equal to B plus 1. Because we know that one of the legs is 1 unit longer than the other. The other equation is that A squared plus B squared equals C squared, the hypotenuse squared, in this case 3 squared, by the Pythagorean theorem. We now have 2 equations, for 2 unknown variables, which means we can solve for A and B, and then the final step would be to find the area of a single triangle, which is 1/2 A multiplied by B. This is a rather long and messy way to solve this problem. I'm actually not gonna go through the algebra. If you do, you'll find out the answers too. However, I want to point out a much more elegant way to solve this problem, which is geometric. So what we're gonna do is start out with these same 4 triangles, and we can do a little neat trick, where we rearrange the triangles as follows. We're gonna move one up, this one to the side, and shift this one over. Now we notice something neat. We basically have a big square, which has a side 3, and we have the 4 triangles, and we have a small square. From this we can figure out the answer. We know that the area of the big square is equal to the area of the 4 triangles, plus the area of the small square. We can solve the area of the big square. 3 squared must be equal to 1 squared plus the area of the 4 triangles. That means the area of the 4 triangles must equal 8, and the area of a single triangle is 2.
Riddle me this, mother lekker.